India is my country. Audience are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its age and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and it everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
This international national news is brought to you by Mohammed Arhan of Grade-IX Cerulean. International news. Iran military helicopter crashes into center fruit and vegetable market, repeatedly killing 4 people. National news. Yunus did not follow the constitution, kept me in the dark, says Bangladesh president. Thank you.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Women of Grade-IX Cerulean. State news. India and Canada inked 10 years agreement on uranium supply. Sports news. Chennai Super Kings kickstarts preparation for IPL 2026. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Kaushal from Grade-IX Cerulean. Weather report. Maximum temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Wind speed 3 km per hour. Humidity 42%. Mostly sunny. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, today's word is brought to you by M. Vishant from Grade-IX Cerulean. Word listless, meaning no energy and no interest. Friends, please spell after me. Listless. 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 Thank you.
Thought is brought to you by Empress of Grade-IX Cerulean. Thought. Every new day is another chance to change your life. I repeat it again. Every new day is another chance to change your life. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by M. Vishant from Grade-IX Cerulean. Question for Grade 7. What is the pH value of pure water? Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is 7. Let us all appreciate that. Question for Grade 8. What is the atomic number of uranium? Sorry, we didn't pick any answer and the answer is 92. Question for Grade 9. What is the functional unit of kidney? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer and the answer is nephron. Open questions for all. What is the escape velocity of Earth? I repeat it once again. What is the escape velocity of Earth? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer and the answer is 11.2 km per second. Open question number 2. Which element have more electronegativity? I repeat it once again. Which element have more electronegativity? Sorry, you didn't pick any answer and the answer is fluorine. Thank you.